tried this stuff. It's basically a really hydrating ampoule. So it's like a serum by this person, Barbara Sturm. I don't even know the price range, but I really liked it. My skin just looked instantly more plump. I think it's a really good one when you feel a little bit dehydrated to wear in the morning underneath your regular moisturizer. For whenever you don't want something refining or, you know, exfoliating, from when you want something hydrating, but you don't necessarily want a mask. Really good for that. So this week it was supposed to be a constant storm, but as you can see, not a cloud in the sky. I might go to a sunset place later when the business is closed. I've been researching on sizes and prices of diamonds and stones and metals and things like that. Oh man, I have so many vlogs to post, but I have no time to edit them. I might just do more on Instagram, because I can just press a button and I'm done with it. Here's where we are. Okay, I think I have identified what makes the dynamic relationship with women in business so different to working with men. Men treat you like their mother, a little bit. You're a bit weaker, so they want to help you. They also want as much time as they can to stare at you and talk to you, and like they try to extend conversations generally, and they play a game that I'm used to, so I'm used to speaking in those terms. Whereas women, you'd think that they could treat you like a daughter, and some of them do, and that's super nice. But a lot of them treat you a lot like competition. They know that you're spoiled, and they are not the ones to spoil you. A lot of them treat you like girlfriends, which is also really nice. There's a level of complicity. There's a level of, I understand that you're also weak in this system, and I want to help you. Some of them treat you like that. A lot of them just can't take your shit because that's really curt when they're speaking to other women. Australian music are always nice to you because there's not so many of us. Yes, I did eat my gloss, as you can tell. But anyway, obviously this is my perspective because of who I am and how I talk and how I move and how I look. So obviously I'm being judged for that.
We must be free. We must be free.